Hey there, it's Anna. What if I told you there's a hidden art to attracting and seducing women that most guys never even scratch the surface of? It's not about cheesy pickup lines or playing mind games. Today we are unlocking the doors to techniques that remain a secret to the majority of the guys out there. Techniques that can make your approach genuine, magnetic, and utterly irresistible. So if you are curious about these little known strategies and want to stand out from the rest, you've landed in the right spot. Let's dive deep into this captivating world of attraction and seduction. Ready? Let's get started. Avoid manipulation. First things first, no one appreciates being manipulated. Now you might be thinking, but isn't seduction all about manipulation? Well, that's where most people get it wrong. True seduction is about connection, not manipulation. When you try to manipulate someone, it's like saying you think they are easily fooled. And let's be honest, no one likes to feel that way. It's like trying to build a house on a shaky foundation. It's bound to collapse sooner or later. Each person you meet carries their own unique history, experiences, dreams, and fears. When you try to manipulate, it can create a negative atmosphere charged with mistrust and suspicion. That's not the kind of vibe that you want to set when you're trying to attract someone, right? So what's the alternative? Keep it genuine, folks. Be real, be you. Show them your true self, your interests, your passions, and your quirks. It might seem challenging at first, but trust me, it's the secret ingredient that only 1% of men truly understand. Be independent. Independence is attractive. No one likes a needy person. If you come across as controlling, you might remind them of their parents. And let's be honest, no one wants to be in an intimate relationship with a parental figure. So find your own center and engage in hobbies and interests that you love. This will not only give you interest in things to talk about, but also makes you more intriguing. And this is key. It's like you are this fascinating book that they can't wait to read. Remember, being independent doesn't mean you have to be alone. It means you are comfortable in your own skin. You're self-reliant and you're not afraid to be yourself. And trust me, that's a trait that's incredibly attractive. Be yourself. All right, guys, it's time for a reality check. Authenticity is key, and I can't stress this enough. If you're putting on an act, you never know if they care for the real you or the character that you're playing. To be intimate with someone requires openness and emotional availability. Think about it. Do you really want to attract someone who falls for a facade? Or would you rather be with someone who appreciates you for who you truly are, quirks and all? I thought so. So drop the games and drop the act and just be you. If you are genuine, you'll attract people who appreciate your authenticity. And let's be honest, there's nothing more satisfying than being truly loved for who you are. Focus on the moment. Turn off your phone, make eye contact, and listen actively. Focus on the moment. It's easy to get distracted, but when you're trying to connect with someone, distractions are a big no-no. Imagine you are on a date and the other person is constantly checking their phone. Doesn't feel great, does it? It's like they're saying, you're not important enough to have my full attention. So when you are with someone, be there. Turn off your phone, make eye contact, and listen actively. Show them that they have your undivided attention. When you are fully present in the moment, you're able to connect on a deeper level. You're able to pick up on subtle cues, understand their feelings, and respond appropriately. And trust me, women notice when you are genuinely interested in them. Be spontaneous. Now, who doesn't love a little bit of surprise, a little bit of unpredictability? Adds a dash of excitement, a pinch of mystery, and a whole lot of attraction. So be playful, be in the moment, and most importantly, have fun. When you are spontaneous, you are open to new experiences and adventures. Routines and expectations do not bind you, and this openness, this willingness to explore is incredibly attractive. It's like you're saying, life with me is never going to be boring. Hence, the next time when you're with someone, why not suggest an impromptu dance in the park? Or a surprise picnic under the stars. Never forget that it's these unexpected moments that create unforgettable memories. Pausing our list for just a quick moment. If you're finding these insights helpful, hitting that subscribe button, giving a like, or sharing your comments down below really means the world to me and helps me understand what you are finding most useful. All right, let's get back into the tips. Find the humour. A good sense of humour indicates a good personality, and there's nothing more attractive than that. It's like a beacon of light in a dark room. It's endearing and it's a sign of good personality. My friends, never be afraid to crack a joke, to laugh at yourself, and to find humour in the little things. Life can be serious and stressful, but when you're able to find humour in situations, you are able to lighten the mood and bring a smile to people's faces. And trust me, there's nothing more attractive than someone who can make you laugh. So guys, the next time you are with someone, why not share a funny story or engage in a little playful banter? Get personal. Now, I'm not talking about prying into someone's private life. I'm talking about creating shared experiences and shared memories that are unique to just the two of you. Now, think about it. A handwritten letter, a funny card, a special nickname. These might seem small, but they add a layer of intimacy and a sense of exclusivity. It's like you're saying, this is our thing, our special bond. And that, my friends, can be incredibly attractive. These little gestures can add anticipation, fun, and a touch of mystery to the relationship. Relax. Yeah, this one seems obvious, but it's often overlooked. When you are more relaxed, you are more open, more receptive, and more attractive. And more importantly, your relaxed demeanor can help the other person relax too. So how do you achieve this state of relaxation? Well, there are many ways. Relaxation is essential for peace and balance. You can achieve it through meditation, relaxation, exercises, walks, calming music, or quality sleep. Unwind, recharge, and feel the difference. Now let's move on to an important one. Be a good listener. Show interest in your date. Ask about their life story before you spill all the beans about yours. People love talking about themselves and love telling you who they are. If you're a good listener, you will hear everything. But how many of us truly listen? When you listen, you're not just hearing words, you are understanding, empathizing, and connecting. And that, guys, can be incredibly attractive. So when you're next with someone, why not ask about their life, their dreams and their fears, and then just listen. You'll be surprised at how much you can learn and how much closer it can bring you. Body language. Now you might be thinking, what does body language have to do with seduction? Well, a lot actually. Your body language can speak volumes about your confidence, your interest, and your intentions. Think about it. A confident posture, a genuine smile, a steady gaze. These non-verbal cues can be incredibly attractive. They can signal that you are confident, interested, and approachable. But remember, don't overdo it. If you're constantly flirting and giving off signals, it can come off as insincere or even desperate. If you flirt with everyone, no one will feel special, valued, or valuable. So be mindful of your body language. Use it to enhance your interactions, not to dominate them. Now that you've delved into unknown techniques, are you ready to learn what reserved girls do when they are into you, or understand how she acts when she's secretly missing you? Your next chapter awaits. Don't forget to like, share, and join our growing community.